All right, guys, so the new plan is I'm just going to sandblast this tomorrow, because I was just wire wheeling like the hubs for that and whatnot. But this paint is like really thick, like it's legit. So it's gonna take some, like, I don't know, because I sandblasted all the other ones, and that sucked. And it's definitely gonna take a lot to get this off, because that was just from the wire wheel right there. Like you can't even see it. Like it's not gonna, like, I want to try and get it all off so that it just will turn out better. I guess I don't have to, but that's what I did with the other ones, and I want it to like match them and whatnot. So I'm just gonna have to break out the sandblaster tomorrow, I think, and get this sandblasted up. Or I could just wait, but kind of want to get this painted up too, so that my rear end matches and it'll be done. So that's the plan. All right, guys. So I was working on the Predator. I got this Nerf bar all done. I got the handlebars all off of it, and then it was kind of hard to clean up the radiator, but I mean I tried. So I mean that's all right. I mean it's good enough. And so Nerf bars are done. Radiator cleaned up. Kind of hard to clean it up, but it's good enough. It'll be fine. Oh, and then I also cleaned up these tie rods. They look really good. This one turned out better, but looking really good. Handlebars off. Still got to paint that up. I took some brake fluid out of there because, obviously I did the front brakes and I pushed some fluid up. So I will have my shims for my bars tomorrow. So hopefully the new handlebars are going on tomorrow. I still gotta pull the tank off of it. Fuel valve is coming tomorrow. Spark plug is coming tomorrow, as well as a new oil filter and stuff like that, so I could change the oil. And then you guys see the crack right there. I'm actually going to be fixing that, just because that's gonna annoy me, and the plastics go around it like that, and doesn't cover it, so that would always be there. So I am going to take some of the paint off, just weld it quick, grind it down, try and make it as like not noticeable as possible, where no one could even tell. I mean, no one, like, who's gonna really look there anyways, but just want to cover that up and then just shoot a little bit of paint over it, and then that'll be good there. So I got my bumper off, and then I was about to put the front tires back on, and then I'm gonna have the good old scrambler hopefully pull it out to the shop so I can get this welded up and whatnot. So I mean, I gotta take the tank off anyways for the spark plug and the valve, and then once that's off, this will be a little bit farther back and whatnot, and then everything else can be out my way. So that'll be good there. And then I don't think that there was really anything else that I was doing. I did try and put the front fender on there. I gotta make some mounts, and then I got this one for my tail light all marked up on here, so I just gotta cut that out. And then yep, got the rear tires on. I am going to probably wait to sandblast that hub, because I am probably, I don't know, I'm thinking about painting the shocks just because of how rock chipped they are and everything, how chipped up they've gotten. And up there, I mean, they match the sorry about that, guys, the SD card was full. But what I was saying is these have so many rock chips in them and stuff like that. So I was thinking, I mean, the front ones would look good in orange, but I already have so much orange on here. But the black one, or the back one, would definitely need to be black, is what I was trying to say. Because I think that the rear of it needs to be like more black, because I still got this and the exhaust and the carrier, and the airbox and stuff, but I just think if I did paint them, I might go with black, or I would have to choose a third color to go with that's not orange or black, because black for the rear for sure, I think, but I don't know, because I got the black control arms up there, so I think orange would look better, but like orange would look good on the back too if the swing arm was black. So I don't know, it's just a whole paint mix up. I don't know, guys, but for now I guess they're gonna stay the same because I don't feel like doing shock springs. Um, like that's for when I like am just bored out of my mind and need something to do. Then I'll probably paint the shock springs, but like for now, like they're fine. Like I don't really feel like doing that, so I'm just gonna leave them for now. I know that they don't look the greatest. I don't know if you guys can even really notice, but I'm gonna get the front tires put on, and then maybe later tonight even get this painted up, and then for sure gonna go and get that welded up. I gotta strip the paint off of it right there, so I can have something to weld to. And my welder still doesn't have gas, but I'm gonna make it work anyways because I just need something that'll cover that up. So it'll be really simple. And so yeah, there's the plan for you guys on the Predator. So I'm gonna be getting that stuff done, and then look forward for tomorrow's video, or I say tomorrow's video, but tomorrow for me when I'm recording this, because I'm getting my shims, I'm getting my spark plug, and I'm getting the fuel valve. So that's definitely gonna be exciting. So I'm gonna get the front tires on and get it all hooked up. I got my tow strap right there, and then I gotta move that stuff out of the way. So alright guys, so I got the Predator all hooked up. I actually wasn't able to run the front wheels on it because it was just too close to the rear wheels. And it reminded me, I gotta rebuild the rear shock on the Scrambler because it is blown. You guys can see I'm just gonna put a little bit of pressure on it. It just, like, it's so low. Like I had the front tires on and the front tires were on the ground for the Predator. So yeah, I wasn't able to run those, but I'm gonna get it hauled out there. I got the gas tank back off of it, and all these are disconnected, so I can just like set them to the side, have plenty of room, and get that all fixed up right there. So I'm gonna do that, paint it up, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, changing plans. So apparently this thing is too crappy to even start. So I just brought the welder down here. Well, actually I went out to the shop to get the battery charger, and then I was like, I'm just taking the welder with me. Because screw that. Apparently this thing's too much of a piece of junk to even start and run. And then the battery died because it's junk. So I'm just gonna roll this back up right there and just do it down here. It's easier that way. Alright guys, so I just tried to start that thing again, and of course it starts up. So that's pretty annoying, but whatever. It's just easier to weld it down here, because if I went out to the shop I would have had to move a bunch of stuff around and pull my truck out and stuff like that. But this way don't have to worry about anything, and I can just get the welder hooked up, and now I'm gonna get this welded. So alright guys, so I got it welded, and it sucks that the welder's out of gas because you can see it better that way. I mean, it just looks like crap, but as long as you can't see that crack anymore, that's all I care about. It would be nice to have gas, that's for sure, but I just gotta use what I have and just gotta work with it. So I'm gonna try and get this smoothened out and see how that goes, because I don't have a grinder right now. I couldn't find it, so we'll just see how this goes. Alright guys, so now I'll be putting the handlebars on. Finally got everything to do it. I gotta clean off this because cleaned it up. Now, like, you guys can't even tell. Like, you guys might be able to see a little bit right there in the reflection, but like from right here, you can't even tell at all. So turned out really good. Got messed up right here from having plastic over it because I painted this, painted that, and I had everything covered. And actually, I might have shown that. I actually don't remember. It was late last night, so I got that painted all up in a nice fresh coat of black. And then here's my brake lever, and I painted that up too, so it's gonna look sick. So go in there like that. So that's awesome. Just waiting for it to dry. This paint's being really dumb and taking forever to dry just because it's like 20 degrees out. But we're actually having a warm January, so I'm not gonna complain. But yeah, so I think it's, oh, you know what? It actually might be dry. You know what? It feels pretty dry. That's not sticky. Or that. Okay, this stuff's so really sticky. You know what? It's not too bad. I think I'll be good to go. So that's actually pretty sweet because I was expecting it to be still sticky and suck. But I got some shims here, right there. You guys can see, so I can run my new bars. So I'm super excited to put them on, honestly. And well, you guys got the easy end of it, and you guys get to see it when it's all done. So here you guys go.